Hey everybody, Daniel from Ontario Analytics. I wanted to make a new video to show everybody the latest um, attachment feature for the ARIA Web Chat Pro dashboard. And at the same time, I wanted to show that we've actually made a few changes to the Pro dashboard. So, by the way, both Pro and Premium have this dashboard. It's the Pro Chat feature, so only the pros have the web chat feature. So the first change that I made was we moved the session data, so in its own area, but also when you select the vehicle. This is my wife's 2015 RDX. It's down here below the other pro features, so you can get the most recent sessions just from here, like underneath the vehicle. I thought that was more logical. It seemed like there was some different other panels here that we removed, and we just made this more logically way to access previous sessions from a particular vehicle. So we'll navigate in there. This is the most recent session. You can see that it's back from March, and I've already done a lot of chatting with ARIA about this particular set of files, but I'm going to go ahead and drop them in because the AI doesn't care. So the first thing I wanted to show you is an image that is this image here. This is an image that I got from the dealer. It's actually a mobile website. What happens is I brought my car in. The dealer texts me, "Hey, you click a link and it brings you to this page, and there's like a list of all of the inspection items from the multi-vehicle inspection report, right?" And then they like, do you want to fix this or that? You could operate this website on your mobile phone, right? So it's that kind of website. But this is the list. Actually, I took a screenshot of it, and that's how I got it in here. And then what you could do is you could take it and you could drop it into ARIA and ask about it. So let me find it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in there and ask for the millionth time. What do you see here? You don't even have to ask it anything. It's going to tell you. So it's the Metro Accurate multi-point inspection, failed items. This is actually perfect. Caution items, past items. So now all of this information from this document is in ARIA's brain, right? In the web chat, and it's persistent. And no matter if I were to make another scan, go back in here or on the app and ask about, hey, what about that multi-point inspection I did back on the 15th? Did it cover this? It would be able to answer. It would look back at this document that it decoded and say, and give me the answers to it. So this is like all-time persistent memory across this vehicle. Another example, you might say, and I've done this one a few times as well, but I'm going to ask it one more time. I have here a screenshot a photograph of the mileage on the car, actually the instrument cluster. And this is actually from, I think I don't know, it's a few years old. It's from like 2022. What does the cluster show? Right? ARIA nails it. You can see it got the mileage. You could combine this, of course, then, hey, generate a report from this. ARIA already knows the mileage, right? So you wouldn't have to type all that in. It's even got the warning lights. It comes with an interpretation, right? So just any sort of image that you want to drop into ARIA and have it combine that reasoning with the live vehicle telematics, or in this case, they're not live because they're the stored vehicle telematics, the stored freeze frame data, the stored readiness data, anything else that ARIA knows about the vehicle, whether it's from TSPs and recalls, or from her internal web searches, or from her training knowledge. You can combine all of those things together with documents that you drop in and get an answer. And I guess the final piece would be, I have an estimate here that's a PDF. I just want to show that. So here's the repair estimate. So at the same time they were doing the multi-point inspection, the reason I actually brought the vehicle in was to replace an alternator that they already replaced. So I suppose you could jump on here and ask critical questions about why this needed to be replaced after so soon after having already been replaced. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to drop it in just for demonstration purposes. Tell me about this. Right. And it's got all the data. It's got the breakdown of the cost. The fact that it was, you could see it still has the my customer concerns, breakdown of the cost that they were going to do it under warranty, so on and so forth. So some of the types of data that you combine, the questions you could ask, you could be, hey, for a pro might want to say, hey, summarize the dealer estimate and separate the warranty covered work from the customer pay work. If you had a screenshot from another scan tool, you could say, hey, compare the scan tool to what's in the OBDAI session. You could drop in something you scribbled down by hand and took a picture of, drop that in and say, hey, turn this into a customer facing explanation. Anything you can probably imagine, ARIA can combine that because it has the optical character recognition, combine that with the rest of the data that you have gathered about the vehicle and create a report, create a summary, answer your questions. As far as the app itself, so on the app itself, you'll be able to snap pictures. We think that's probably the most useful thing for you to do. Snap pictures of components, snap pictures of documents, and that feature is actually done, and it will probably take us another week or so to roll out because we just rolled out the freeze frame 2.2, but be looking for that. And thank you for your support. As always, this feature came from a customer request. I forget the name of the customer. I don't recall. I don't know if they gave me permission to use their name, but it did come from a customer request. It was requested back in January. It's May, so about 5 months. And we think it's a good feature, a good addition. We hope you enjoy using it, and thank you for your support.